Hello everyone, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we are going to talk about another very important topic related to reactive forms in Angular, where we will see what is isFormGroup method and why do we use it. So by the end of this session, you will be able to understand what is FormGroup, isFormGroup method, what are the steps to implement it, and what would be the output if we are implementing it. Okay, but before we proceed further with this session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released session first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow it sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic, because for time being we are just mainly focusing on how to use isFormGroup method. But prior to that, you should know what is isFormGroup, why do we use it, and at least you should know about the basic, not this, but basic, like what is FormGroup and what is reactive form. And for that you can also refer the Texture Myth digital course book, which is freely available in the description box. There you will find more than 3,500 plus sessions, which is available in both Hindi as well as English language. So without any language barrier, you can consume the content. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me. Okay, so let's get started. Here you can see currently I'm in app.component.html file, where I have mentioned two heading. My first heading says Angular course by Texture Myth. My second heading says reactive form in Angular for isFormGroup example. After that, I have specified two horizontal rows, and in between these two horizontal rows we will define the form. Although it is not mandatory, but yeah, you can keep this so that it looks good on a browser. Now here you can see like we are going to implement a logic where we want to check whether the passed parameter is FormGroup or not. So to test that, firstly we need a FormGroup, right? So let's go and create the first FormGroup. Also we will create one method. That method will help us to identify whether it is a FormGroup or not. So let's go to app.component.ts file, and here you can see we have this topic. So now firstly we will import here reactive form module. So I'll just write here reactive form module, then we will expand it, and after expanding it we will mention here a few important things like FormGroup. But before that, always make sure that it is imported, because if it is not imported it won't work properly. So here I will just write simply isFormGroup. Okay, so that means firstly we will create the FormGroup. So let's say I want to create a FormGroup with name credentials. Okay, then equal, and here I will write new FormGroup, opening closing parenthesis, opening closing curly braces, and here we need to I think something is wrong here. We specified this thing. That is new FormGroup. Yes, so here you just need to write new FormGroup, then opening closing parenthesis, and curly braces should be inside this parenthesis only. Yeah, this is enough. Now here I will write my username as my first value. So username colon and a new formControl parenthesis single quotes. Then we will put a comma over here. Then we will write here password. Okay, colon new formControl, and remember whatever you are writing here, it should be in a same case, because here capital A is completely different from small a. It is case sensitive. Okay, so always make sure that you are providing the right values. So here I specified password colon new formControl, and after that we will write a semicolon, not here, it should be here. Perfect. So this FormGroup is ready now. Now after this FormGroup, what I will do, I will simply create one method, and that method will use isFormGroup thing, and isFormGroup thing will tell us whether it is FormGroup or not. Okay, so let's create that method. So I will write here check group, then opening closing parenthesis, curly braces, and here inside this we will write first condition like if isFormGroup, opening closing parenthesis, this dot credentials, then curly braces, and in between these curly braces we will define the console. So console.log, here I will write this is a form group. So some of you might be thinking like we are creating form group, then why we are checking it? Because I just want to tell you the steps to identify, because right now we are aware, but maybe in your project you are not aware of anything, whether it's a form group or a control. So in that situation, if the value is coming from a third party tool or application, so in that case what we will do, we will utilize this form group. Okay, now you can simply put a semicolon over here and that's it. Now after this we will write here console.log, and then we will write this dot form.controls. This dot not form, it should be credentials, because we are using credential as a group name. And here also we will write controls, not control. Let me rewrite it, controls. Okay, perfect. So this method is ready. Now what we will do, we will execute this method through one button in HTML file. So once user click on that button, it will execute this method, and then it will check if it is a form group or not, pass parameters for a form group or not. If it is form group, it will simply return this is a form group, console.log, and it will show the controls. Otherwise what we will do, we will put a else condition here. So I'll write else parenthesis, and inside this I will write console.log, although this will not execute it because this is always a form group, we are providing a form group here. So here I will mention this is not a form group. Okay, and then you can put a semicolon to save this. I think this should be out of this parenthesis here. Yeah, fine. So this thing is ready. Now let's quickly go to HTML file and design the form. So to design the form, firstly I'll use here form tag. In this form tag I will write form group, form control, not control, form group, this one. Okay, here I will write credentials. Then after that we will mention here the thing like input field. Firstly I'll put the label. So label, in label I will mention username. Okay, then we will put a input here, and type should be text only. formControlName, formControlName would be username itself. Okay, and likewise we will copy paste this for email, not email, for password. Okay, so I'll paste it, and here I will write password. And here also we will write password. Okay, perfect. Now here I'll add one button, and that button will be for check the group, check form group. So it will just check, and to check we will add one method here. So click bind it, form check group. Okay, check form group. Now we will execute this. So ng serve -- open, enter. Just wait for a few seconds, and then it will show you the output in the browser screen. So you can see here Angular codes by TextureMyth, reactive form in Angular, isFormGroup example, one horizontal row, input fields, and check form group. Now I'll click right click on browser, go to inspect, and here you will see on console. As of now there is nothing, but if I provide something, let's say ABC and 1 2 3, and click on check form group, it will show this is a form group, because we are passing the form group. And likewise you will find the details of the controls like password and what all things we have specified, like username and password. Clear? So yeah, I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharemith.